Hey guys, I'm always looking for things that are changing the automotive industry, and one of the big problems we have when we start doing custom modifications and bolting on giant superchargers is, can the stock ECU actually handle it? Can we actually get the fueling to work? Can we get the ECU to work? Can we get spark? And so here with Haltech, based on the HAL 5000 from Space Odyssey, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So tell me the story.
So what we do is full standalone engine computers and also vehicle control. So we have our simple plug-in solutions ranging from Skylines to RX-8s. We also have multiple plug-and-play adapters for some of our fully universal ECUs. But what we'd like to showcase is our R3, R5, the Nexus plug-in for the Skyline, and the RX-8. These are full motorsport-grade ECUs. They don't really care what motor they're going to run as long as it's port injection and you know all of the details of the engine.
Okay.
So it's LS, RB, EJ, K Series, 2J. It can be a Harley. It can be a lot of different things. You just have to know what you're working with.
And so then you're talking, I can put together whatever I want on these ones, but let's just do plug and play kits. I want to build a Skyline, right?
Okay. Skyline plug-in, it's going to be this guy. I've personally installed one of these in about an hour in a car. And you go through a really nice setup wizard.
Yeah.
You're going to answer about 9 questions about the build. I have these cams, this trigger
These are the components,
setup.
this is the fueling system, this is the electrical,
We create a really good base map from that wizard, and then it's turnkey, ready to go.
Oh, fantastic. So are there any other modules that need to communicate in the wiring harness, or?
With our plug-and-play kits, no.
Wow.
Some of our other kits, you will use different accessories depending on the
It's going
build.
to be like a reader, so because we have analog to digital now, right? Because my motorcycle, I learned the hard way. Ducati switched in 2014 from kind of an analog wiring system to a fully digital wiring system, which meant that you could use the same wires across the whole bike, but it didn't used to be like that because different wires have different impedances. And so now, like this world, I mean, this didn't exist until probably the last like 3 years, right? Like 3-4 years.
So
that we can have this level of complexity.
R5 came out about 6-7 years ago.
Yeah.
R3 was about 4 years ago or so.
Yeah, and these plug-and-play kits, though.
These plug-and-play kits are within the last 2 years.
That's what I'm saying. So now you can basically say, I'm going to go build this car. I know what I want to build, because I want to build an R3 too. And I want to build it fully retro-modded and with all the modern technology, and I want everything to be super clean and super easy to use. And so show me the dash interface here too, because I think this is what you would do as custom cutout, and now you have your own panel, right?
Yep.
Control panel.
This is our UC10 digital display. It is fully customizable. So you can go in and change all of the colors, all of the backgrounds. You can do custom images. It's a really cool, fully customizable screen.
Yeah. And so the screen is going to be in the actual center display dash. And you said you could change timing, you can do whatever kind of fueling you want, you can do whatever tune, and you can even blow up your motor if you want to.
It's not can the ECU do it?
Right.
It's can you tell the ECU how you want it to be done?
So for custom tuners, this is amazing, because my buddy owns a tuning shop. He's always running into limitations of what the actual tune file can handle in the stock ECU. So now you pull this out. Now, are we talking like, is there parameters that you can kind of set and you can fix and you say, hey, this is what's moderate or this is what we suggest? Do you guys have any, ability to tell the users?
So we have our sales and tech line are open for all of our customers.
Cool.
So you can call in, ask different questions about the build and things like that, and we're there to assist you. We're not there to be your tuner, but we're there to assist the tuners as well if they have questions and things like that.
Wow. So I see a lot of tuning shops probably getting behind a platform like this, because it would be a super easy thing to say, hey, here's a plug-and-play kit. We know exactly what car you're going to do, and here's the exact ECU that we can do to customize it to exactly this spec. So really cool stuff, man. Love to see where the future's going. Haltech, just like the HAL 5000 from Space Odyssey. Fantastic.
Thanks.